What's up guys? So I am in Ipoh. I woke up freaking early in the morning today to travel back because I got 2 appointments in Ipoh, today and tomorrow. So tomorrow would be a full correction for a Mazda CX-5 that is 1 year old, and then today, which is now, I'm actually on my way to my client's home, which is a BMW 5 Series. This client of mine came all the way from Singapore, and I believe his hometown is here, so I think he's visiting some relatives. So out of convenience, so I came back just because of 2 cars. So stay tuned guys as I cue you into the cinematic. What's up guys? So I'm done with the maintenance on the BMW G30 530, my client from Singapore, and I'm home now. Actually went out with my parents to discuss about some stuff, and then only I'm home now. So I'm just gonna end the vlog for today because I want to rest early for tomorrow's Mazda CX-5, the 1 year old one that I'm going to work on tomorrow. So yeah, like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys tomorrow.